In the last video, we walked through the Pending tab and categorized our bank feed line by line. That is great for one-off purchases, but what about your monthly software subscriptions, office rent, or regular vendor payments? You shouldn't have to manually confirm those every single month. QuickBooks has a feature called Bank Rules that can spot these recurring expenses and categorize them for you automatically. Let me show you how to set it up. Let's get right into it. Look over at your left-hand menu, click on All Apps to open your full system menu, go to Accounting, and select Rules. This brings you to your main automation command center. To build your first automation, make sure you are looking at the Bank Rules tab. Then head over to the top right corner and click the green New Rule button. A panel will open up. Think of a rule as a simple, if this, then that, statement. First, drop a clear name into the top box, like Adobe Subscription. Next, tell QuickBooks where to look by setting it to apply to Money Out, and selecting your specific checking or credit card account. Now, set your condition. Leave that first drop-down on All, but pay close attention to the row below it. Change the first box to Bank Text, and make sure the second says Contains. Type Adobe right into that text box. Banks often add random dates or processing codes to their transaction text, so telling QuickBooks to look for bank text that simply contains the word Adobe ensures it catches the payment every single time. Now for the Then part. Scroll down to the Then Assign section to tell QuickBooks exactly what to do when it spots that word. You want to set the transaction type as an expense. Below that, use the Category drop-down to select your matching expense account. Finally, drop down to the Payee box and lock in your vendor so your reports stay perfectly accurate. Before you hit Save, look at the very bottom under the heading that says Automatically Confirm Transactions this rule applies to. You will see an Auto-Add toggle switch. This is where the real magic happens. If you leave this off, QuickBooks will just suggest the category in your Pending tab, but you still have to manually review it. If you turn Auto-Add on, QuickBooks completely bypasses the Pending tab and logs the expense straight into your books the second it hits your bank account. Turn this on for your trusted, fixed expenses, and hit Save. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.